Fix Roblox login error and unknown error occurred on mobile. So if you're getting this problem, the first thing is just turn off the VPN if you're using a VPN to log in into your account. And sometimes turning it off and sometimes using a VPN to connect to another country to log in into your account works. So if you're using a VPN, turn it off and try it. And if you're not using a VPN, turn the VPN on and try to log in. It should work. If it still doesn't work, the next thing you can do is check your Wi-Fi. Sometimes slow Wi-Fi causes this issue. So change your network or just change your Wi-Fi to a faster one and it should work. Next is sometimes some bug causes the issue and lack of update. So to fix both this problem, just delete the app, re-download it again. This will re-download your Roblox and it'll download the updated version which has that bug fixed, and it should fix your issue. After doing that, you should be able to log in into your account. If you're still unable to log in into your account, what you can do is wait. Sometimes when you try to log in into your account too many times, Roblox temporarily blocks your account for 1 or 2 hours because they think that somebody is trying to hack into your account. So if you tried to log in into your account too many times, just wait for 1 or 2 hours, try to re-log in. It should work. So that's how you guys can fix this issue. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.